that devoted offering. Paratatmanasa means who self is pure and self-regulated. Let's understand the whole meaning. A leaf, a flower, a fruit, and some water, whosoever offers to me with pure love and devotion, I accept and partake of that devoted offering from him, who self is pure and self-regulated. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Good evening to all of you. Myself, Mandara Madhav from Udaipur House. Today I am here in front of you to present the 26th sloka of chapter 9 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhakta prayachati
Praptidanta Namahastute. Good evening to all of you. Myself, Praptidanta from Udagiri House. Today I am here in front of you to present 26th number sloka from 9th chapter of our Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yone bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti upalatam asnami prayatmanaha. Now understand the meaning of the sloka word by word. Patram, a leaf, pushpam, a flower, phalam, a fruit, toyam, water. Lo, whosoever may to me bhakti, with love and devotion, prayachati, one offer. Third, that aham, I, bhakti upadatam, offers with love and devotion, asnami, partake, prayatadmanaha, from whom the self is pure and self-regulated. Now understand the meaning of the sloka. A leaf, a flower, a fruit, or some water, whosoever offer to me with love and devotion, I accept. And partake of that offer, devoted offering to me, from whose self is pure and self-regulated. Jai Shri Krishna.
Once offered, I am standing here to recite a slok from Gita. The slok is from chapter 9, slok number is 26. Patram puspam phalam troyam yo me bhakta prayachati tadaham bhakti upahritam asnami prayatatmanaha. Again, patram puspam phalam toyam yo me bhakta prayachati tadaham bhakti upahritam asnami prayatatmanaha. Now let's explain the slok word by word. Patram means the leaf, puspam the flower, phalam the fruit, toyam water, yo whosoever, may I, prayachati means once offered, bhakti means with love and devotion, tat means that, aham I,
from class 10. I am here to explain the sloka of 26th of 9th. That sloka is taken from Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that has a huge essence of Indian mythology, and I am going to explain for the inter-house sloka reading competition. So the sloka is in that. Patra pushpam phalam toyam Patra pushpa phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayashati patra pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhaktya pahritam tadaya bhakti pahritam. तदया भक्ति परिहितम् Ashyani prayatatmanah. Let's see the word by word explanation of it. First, patra, a leaf, and pushpam, a flower. Then phalam, a fruit, and toyam, a water. Yo, whosoever, may, to me, prayasati, offer, to give them. Then tad, that, aham, I. Then bhakta parhritam, with bhakti, devotion and love. Then ashyani, partake of. Then paratatmanaha, means the person who have the self is pure and self-regulated. This means that a leaf and a flower, a fruit and some water, if someone give with devotion and love to God, then he accept that with the offering, devoted offering, with same love. Thank you.
I am Ananta Bhattacharya from class 10. I am here to recite a sloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, slok number 26. Patram puspam phalam toyam. Patram puspam phalam toyam. Yo me bhakta prayachati. Yo me bhakta prayachati. Tadaham bhakti upahritam. Tadaham bhakti upahritam. Asnami prayatatmanah. Asnami prayatatmanah. Patram puspam phalam yo toyam. Patram puspam phalam toyam. Yo me bhakta prayachati. Tadaham bhakti upahritam. Asmani prayatatmanah. Let's come to explanation. A leaf, a flower, a fruit, or some water, whosoever offers me with love and devotion, I accept from him whose self is pure and self-regulated. Thank you.
वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणत क्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमः नमः. Good evening to all of you. I am Sujendra Kasturi from class 9B. I am here to reciting the slok number 6 of chapter 9 from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Let's enjoy the slok. Patram pushpam phalam toyam. Yo me bhaktya prayachati. Tadham bhakti upahritam. Ashnami prayatatmanah. Again. Patram pushpam phalam toyam. Yo me bhaktya prayachati. Tadham bhakti upahritam. Ashnami prayatatmanah. Let's understand the meaning of the sloka by word. Patram means leaf, pushpam means flower, phalam means fruit, toyam means also water, yo means some, me means me, Bhaktya with love and devotion. Prajate last offering. And Tat means that. Aham means I. Thank you.
I am Ananya Rosh from Sivalik House. Now I am going to recite 26th sloka of chapter 9 from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Patram pushpam phalantoyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhaktya upakritam ashnami prayatatmanah. Again. Patram pushpam phalantoyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti upakritam ashnami prayatatmanah. Let's understand this sloka word by word. Patram means the leaf. Pushpam means the flower. Phalan means a fruit. Toyam means water. Yo means whosoever. Me means to me. Bhaktya with love and devotion. Prayachati one offers. Tad means that. Aham means I. Bhaktya upakritam offered with love and devotion. Ashnami means to accept and partake. Prayata atmanah means one whose self is pure and self-regulated. Let's understand the sloka. A leaf, a flower, a fruit, or some water, whosoever offers to me with love and devotion, I accept and partake of that devoted offering from the one whose self is pure and self-regulated. Radhe Radhe.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat. मैं संगीता शिवाली शब्द की ओर से आप सभी के समक्ष श्रीमद् भगवद गीता के 9वें अध्याय के 26वें श्लोक को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। पत्रम पुष्पम फलन्तोयम् पत्रम पुष्पम फलन्तोयम् यो मे भक्ता प्रयच्छति यो मे भक्ता प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्ति उपकृतं तदहं भक्ति उपकृतम् अस्नामि प्रयतात्मनः अस्नामि प्रयतात्मनः. It means patram, a leaf, pushpam, a flower, phalam, a fruit, toyam, or some water, you may, you, whosoever, may, to me, bhaktya, with love and devotion, prayachati, on offers, tat aham, tat means that, aham means I, upakritam means offers with love and devotion, asnami, it means accept or partake of, prayatatmanaha means from one whose self is pure and self-regulated. The meaning of the sloka is a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or some water, whosoever offers to me with love and devotion, I accept and partake of, devoted from him whose self is pure and self-regulated. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Radhe Radhe. Now I am going to take the 47th number sloka of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि. Now, the meaning of the sloka. Karma. It describes duty. Eva, certainly, adhikara, right. Te, of you. Ma, neighbor. Te, of you. Phaleshu, the fruit. Kadachana, at any time. Ma, neighbor. Karmaphala, the result of the work. Hetu,
सभी शिक्षक, मेरे साथियों और मेरे भाइयों और बहनों, सभी को शुभ अपराह्न। मैं सुदीप्त माकर कक्षा 10वीं की छात्र शिवानी शरण की ओर से आज यहाँ उपस्थित हुए हूँ इस शुभ अवसर पर। यहाँ पे मैं श्रीमद् भगवद गीता का नारी अध्याय की 26 श्लोक को पाठ करने जा रहा हूँ। श्लोक कुछ इस प्रकार है। पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्ता प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्ति उपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतत्मनः पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्ता प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्ति उपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतत्मनः The expression will be a fruit, a leaf, some water and some flower. If somebody gives Sri Krishna with love and devotion, then Sri Krishna will accept it. If and only if the devotees need to have a self-soul and a self-regulated soul. धन्यवाद।
सभी को मैं शिवानी सदन की शानी खातून आप सबके समक्ष श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की नव अध्याय की 26वां श्लोक पाठ करने जा रही हूँ। पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्त्युपकृतम् अश्नामि Pushpam, a flower. Phalam, a fruit. Toyam, some water.
अनिक मैती शिवालिक शरण से श्रीमद् भगवत गीता के 9वें अध्याय के 26वां श्लोक पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ। ये श्लोक कुछ इस प्रकार है। पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं, पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं, यो मे भक्त्या प्रयुज्यत, यो मे भक्त्या प्रयुज्यति। पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं, यो मे भक्त्या प्रयुज्यति, तदयं भक्त्या उपरितं, तदयं भक्त्या उपधृतम्। अस्नामि प्रयतात्मनः, अस्नामि प्रयतात्मनः। This means that putra, that means a leaf, pushpa, a flower, phala, fruit, toyam, that means some water, you may, whosoever, vaktya, that means offer, prayachati, love and devotion, tadayam, that means to accept, and bhartya upahritam, that from him asnami prayatratyam, that means who is self-regulated. That totally means that Krishna said, when said it to Arjuna, a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or some water, whosoever offers to me love and devotion, I offer that, I accept that devoted gift from him who is pure and self-regulated. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.
आज मैं भगवत गीता की शुभाकांक्षी सभी को आज मैं भगवत गीता की 6ठी अध्याय की 17 नंबर श्लोक आप लोगों को पढ़ के सुनाने वाला हूँ। युक्ताहार विहारस्य, युक्ताहार विहारस्य, युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु, युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु, युक्तस्वप्नवबोधस्य, युक्तस्वप्नवबोधस्य, योगो भवति दुःखः, योगो भवति दुःखः। And now I am telling the meaning of the sloka. For one who in moderation and balance in food and recreation, whose behavior in actions and yoga is the dictionary of suffering. Thank you, Radha.
To all of you, मैं आज भगवत गीता की 6 नंबर चैप्टर की 17 नंबर श्लोक को सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। युक्ताहार विहारस्य, युक्ताहार विहारस्य, योगो युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु, युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु, युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य, युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य, योगो भवति दुःखः, योगो भवति दुःखः। Let us understand the meaning. For one, work is yoga is the destroyer of suffering.
Thank you.
I am Ekta Rakshi from Nilgiri House. Today I am going to describe the sloka number 26 from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo mi bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhaktyupakritam ashnami prayatatmanaha. Let's understand the sloka word by word. Patram, a leaf. Pushpam, a flower. Phalam, a fruit. Toyam, water. Yaha, whosoever, me, to me. Bhaktya, love and devotion. Prayachati, one offers. Tad, that. Aham, I. Bhaktya upakritam, offered with love and devotion. Ashnami, partake of. Prayata atmanaha, of the one whose self is pure and self-regulated. Let's understand the meaning of the sloka. A leaf, a flower, a fruit, or some water. Whosoever offers to me with love and devotion, I accept and partake of that devoted offering from him whose self is pure and self-regulated. Thank you. Hari.
Good evening to all of you. I am Kanya Bhaji from class 8, section B. I belongs to Nilgiri House. I am going to recite the sloka number 17 from chapter 6, Dhyana Yoga. Yuktahara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu yukta swapna abodhasya yogo bhavati dukkhaha. Let's now understand the sloka word by word. Yukta, yog in moderation and balance. Ahara, food. Viharasya, recreation. Cheshtasya, behavior. Karmasu, in beautiful actions. Yukta, discipline. Swapna avodhasya, sleep in and wakefulness. Yoga, bhavati, becomes. Dukkha, destroyer of suffering and sorrow. Let's understand the sloka word meaning. The meaning of the sloka. For one yoked in moderation and balance, whose in recreation, in food, whose behavior in actions is regulated, who is moderate in sleep and wakefulness. Yoga becomes the destroyer of suffering and sorrow. Thank you.
My name is Sumaba from class 8. I belongs to Nilgiri House. I am going to recite the sloka 17, chapter 6. Yuktahara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu yukta swapna babodhasya yogo bhavati dukkhaha. Let's now understand the sloka word by word. Yukta, yoked in moderation and balance. Ahara, food. Viharasya, recreation. Cheshtasya, behavior. Karmas, in beautiful action. Yukta, discipline. Sapna vabodhasya, sleep and wakefulness. Yoga, bhavati, becomes. Dukkha, destroyer of suffering and sorrow. It's now focus on the meaning of the sloka. For one, yoga is moderation and balance in food and recreation, whose behavior in recreation and who is moderate in sleep and wakefulness. Yoga becomes the destroyer of suffering. Thank you.
यहाँ उपस्थित सभी शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, आप सभी को शुभ अपराह्न। मैं शामुका घोष कक्षा 12वीं से आज आप लोगों के समक्ष श्रीमद् भागवत गीता के 9वें अध्याय यानी राजविद्या राजसूय योग से 26वां श्लोक पाठ करके सुनाने जा रही हूँ। श्लोक कुछ इस प्रकार है। पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्ता प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्तोपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः। Once again. पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्ता प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्तोपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः। So here in this श्लोक, भगवान श्री कृष्ण is saying to Arjun that पत्र अर्थात एक पत्ता, किसी भी पेड़ का एक पत्ता, पुष्प अर्थात पुष्प फूल, फलम अर्थात कोई फल, तोयम अर्थात पानी, यो अर्थात कोई भी, मैं अर्थात मुझे, भक्त्या अर्थात with love and devotion, प्रेम और भक्ति से, प्रयच्छति मतलब जो भी कोई मुझे अर्पण करता है, तदहं तद अर्थात उसका, दैट वो चीज़ें, वो फूल, पत्ता, जल या फिर कोई फल, अहम अर्थात मैं, भक्त उपहृत मतलब प्रेम और सद्भाव से मुझे अर्पण किया हुआ, अस्नामि अर्थात मैं ग्रहण करता हूँ, I partake of प्रयतात्मनः अर्थात कि मैं मतलब वो इंसान जो देता है मुझे, उसका जो सेल्फ है वो सेल्फ रेगुलेटेड है और प्योर है, मतलब उस इंसान का चित्त साफ है। यहाँ श्री कृष्ण कहना चाहते हैं हम सबको, मतलब अर्जुन के द्वारा हम सबको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि भगवान जो है, जो परम आत्मा परमात्मा है, वो किसी भी सामान के भूखे नहीं है, वो हमारे भाव के भूखे हैं। अगर हम अपने सच्चे मन से और अपनी सच्ची प्रेम भावना से अपना कुछ भी, चाहे वो एक पत्ता ही क्यों ना हो, एक पुष्प ही क्यों ना हो, एक फल ही क्यों ना हो या फिर कुछ पानी ही क्यों ना हो, उन्हें अर्पण करते हैं तो वो उसे प्रेम से ग्रहण करेंगे, क्योंकि वो हमने उन्हें प्रेम से अर्पित किया है। वो हमारी संपत्ति नहीं देखते, वो हमारे भाव देखते हैं। धन्यवाद।